I would start by going back to teachers or professors you've had in college or in high school and asking one of those people if they'd serve as a reference. A coach would be another great example. If you were active in an organization or volunteered, somebody that you worked with or managed that project would be another good one. And if you really have to dig, like even somebody that was in your community that you grew up in, that had a position of leadership, that knew you, or really digging, like you did some babysitting for, you did an odd job for, I mean, that would be more of a stretch, but you could do it. If you can have a conversation with them, I would also highlight what job you're applying for, what qualifications you have that you would like them to substantiate. So giving them examples of, say, a project that you worked on and turned into them to refresh their memory, so that they can speak about you in a way such that it specifically positions you as a good fit for that job, rather than just like, Hallie's great, but Hallie did this specific thing, and this is why it was amazing, and it relates exactly to the type of work that she's applying for.